Hey guys, it's Katie Wilkinson back with another video. Now in today's video I thought I'd start discussing vlogging and starting vlogging in the month of October. Now it is a fantastic idea, especially if you guys are wanting to join YouTube and you're wanting to get into vlogging and also just video making, filmmaking, sharing your passions, your hobbies, you name it. It can be anything from creating videos on Doctor Who to cooking to commenting on TV shows, films, giving reviews, drawing, art, graphic design, especially if you're into that. You can definitely see a lot of that on my channel, maybe DIY, different things like that. But yeah, why not join this month? The algorithm has been going up and down all this month, and it's just been phenomenal just to see that, especially on my channel. And you know, especially when creating videos around Halloween, and previously I made this DIY video on just making liquid latex, and that was easily got over 50,000 views over the past few years. And each month, especially when you're going back to old YouTube videos, they just start spiking again, which is really fantastic to see. Why not start making a YouTube channel? Maybe you guys have been wanting to do it for a long time. You've been wanting to show your own story, your own creativity, different hobbies you might have. I know there's a lot of special effects, makeup artists out there. You might be getting ready for Halloween. You might want to create a costume around Halloween. Who knows, you might want to do face painting or something like that, and you just want to share it. So why not share it on YouTube? Start the ball rolling and start creating. There are so many opportunities behind YouTube. You can create an audience, share your interests with like-minded people, just get out there and create. It's a fantastic platform that will allow you to create and to share what you enjoy, really, at the end of the day. Which has been fantastic. You know, you can link your other social media channels through YouTube by sharing as well, and you can, yeah, do a lot. So if you guys are like me and you're wanting to start YouTube, start doing it full time, maybe it's something you've always wanted to do, why not whip out your phone? It's something simple you have on you and you can start filming. Now for this video, I am filming on my iPhone. It's just something simple you can do, and I've got my tripod set up. You know, it's something really easy you can do. You can just whip out your iPhone, get that tripod going, and just start filming. Now if you guys have a spare smartphone, iPhone, Samsung, you name it, you can easily start filming and just creating point and shoot basically. And yeah, it's just something simple. Another bonus thing about YouTube is that you get to talk to the camera, build up your confidence, especially if you're wanting to do public speaking or you're wanting to develop those skills, especially talking to a camera, and also allows you to talk to a large audience. Don't let that make you nervous. Just start talking to the camera and just make it a one-on-one thing, you know. Find an office or a space in your home and where you can just start filming, creating videos. You don't have to have everyone around you. Don't listen to the naysayers, because you guys can definitely do it. Just sit down, talk about your favorite book or a hobby that you're interested in. But another reason why starting in October is because there's that Halloween trend which is going on, and a lot of YouTubers are making videos around Halloween, arts, crafts, DIY, you name it, creating tutorials, different things like that. Why not jump on board that train and skyrocket your channel, make it start growing, and you know, the sky's the limit. There's a lot of potential and opportunity out there, so why not jump on board? And I have heard that the algorithm does favor those who continue to upload videos. So maybe you want to start off with creating 1 video a week. You could do 2 a week, 5 even in a week, but just continue that upload and jump onto different topics that are being discussed, which may be Halloween, for example. You may want to draw Inktober or sketch and do witches or something crafty, ghosts. Talk about your favorite Halloween books or movies. different things like that. It's really phenomenal on what you can do and achieve on YouTube. So guys, definitely let me know what you enjoy about YouTube. Would you like to create videos? Do you feel like you could start now? Because I definitely believe in you guys, and the sky's the limit. It really is at the end of the day. So why not jump on board and start creating? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you for watching today's video, guys. Happy Halloween. And yeah, enjoy and keep creating because the sky's the limit, you know. It really is. Good luck, guys, and I'll see you in another video.